Hisense ConnectLife app, connecting the portable air conditioner. To add an appliance to the ConnectLife app, press the Start Here button. For this example, we chose to connect to the portable air conditioner. Select and press the portable air conditioner option. Follow the steps as shown in the app. Step 1. Use the control panel or remote control to turn on the portable air conditioner. Next, scroll down and follow Step 2. Aim the remote at the receiver, located above the Hisense logo on the unit. In order to prevent connectivity issues, the remote control should be positioned within several feet of the receiver and pointed directly at it. When the remote is in the correct position, press the swing button 6 times. The buzzer will sound and 77 will appear in the display. Step 3. Verify that the portable air conditioner is in Wi-Fi pairing mode. If the display does not show 77 on the control panel, repeat Step 2. Press Next. The portable air conditioner has entered the distribution network mode. Press Open Settings option to select the Wi-Fi network. Choose and press the Wi-Fi option. Connect your smartphone's Wi-Fi to the HIS network. Once connected, swipe right or press the back button to go back into the ConnectLife app. Press Next. Scroll and select among your available networks. Press the check mark to confirm your selection. Only 2.4 GHz networks are supported. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. Once connected, name your portable air conditioner and assign it to a room you placed it in and press Add Device. The ConnectLife app will take a moment to update. Your portable air conditioner will now appear in the room selected.